Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa khichdi without a pressure cooker. This wholesome dish is a fantastic, nutritious meal that's also very easy on your stomach. To start, it's crucial to rinse your quinoa well under cold, running water to remove any bitter saponins. Soaking both the quinoa and your chosen dal for at least 30 minutes will also help reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. Next, let's build some amazing flavor. In a heavy-bottomed pot, heat a tablespoon of oil or ghee. Add whole spices such as cumin seeds and a bay leaf, letting them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add finely chopped onions, grated ginger, and minced garlic, sautéing until they turn translucent and fragrant. Now is also the perfect time to stir in your favorite chopped vegetables like carrots, peas, or green beans for extra goodness. Once your aromatics and vegetables are ready, drain the soaked quinoa and dal and add them to the pot. Stir everything together, then mix in your ground spices, such as 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, along with salt to taste. Pour in about 3½ cups of hot water or vegetable broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and simmer gently until the quinoa and dal are tender and the liquid is absorbed, which usually takes around 20 to 25 minutes. Finally, your delicious quinoa khichdi is ready. Give it a gentle stir, then garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro and a dollop of ghee for extra richness. Serve it hot, perhaps with a side of cooling yogurt, a tangy pickle, or your favorite chutney. This comforting meal is perfect for any time of day. And speaking of great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your homemade khichdi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.